Service in Greenville Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles northwest of Greenville downtown, or near Slater, Marietta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Landrum, Slater, Marietta, Inman, Campobello, Tigerville, Lake Bowen, Lake Robinson, Pleasant Ridge State Park, Jones Gap State Park and Caesars Head State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western North Carolina and upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenville, Pickens, and Spartanburg. Tornado watch number 186